Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's feeling very well. So today we are looking at Roccabox. This is the September edition. Roccabox is a beauty box. You can expect to get things for hair care, skin care, nails, makeup items, some freebies even sometimes. And anyone that knows me knows that I love the Roccabox subscription box, which does cost £10 for the box, and I think it's like £3 for delivery. Now, I made a bit of a boo-boo. I already recorded this. I know exactly what's in the box, but for some reason, nothing happened with my recording. So I'm having to do the whole video again. So I thought rather than box everything up, we'll just run through the items that I received. So obviously you get it in this little pink box. Inside you can expect to find a card saying what all the items are, and you get all these squiggly wiggly things, bits and bobby things there. Okay, so there's always normally a theme that goes on every month, and this month is September. It's all about you and the boss that you are. Everyone is bossing it in some way, and remember, not everyone's success looks the same. I know full well how hard it can be to juggle work in between everything else that you are going through. Love, Tia. Okay, so the first item that I see is a little palette. This palette is by Styl London. This is the Devil Velvet Touch Eyeshadow Palette. This has a recommended of £15, and this is a full-size product. Now, I'm so happy to get this colour because, I don't know, I think last year Glossy Box was running the Devil and the Angel boxes, and I got the Angel. Well, I like the colours, don't get me wrong. I really wanted this palette here. So I'm really happy that I got it because these are the sort of colours that I really do like. Now, because I've already done the video, I did already swatch. I don't know if you can see them colours. I'll maybe just do a few again because it was a little while since I did those. Okay, so let's do that one. That one. Colours are quite pigmented, which is really always good. So there are some colour shades there, and I will put them there for you. So as you can see, they're quite pigmented, pretty autumn colour shades, which are always my favourite, regardless of what time of year it is. And in the palette, you also get a couple of shimmers, which are these two here. So let's do a little bit of a swatch. Whoops, these two. So they're like a goldy colour. Very pretty. And we have like a pink as well. Okay. So that's palette. I'm thrilled to bits to get that. Secondly, in our box, we have, this is called Douvalls. This is a lip and cheek colour. This did come box, but unfortunately I've thrown the box away. There was a couple of colours that you might have received in your box. There was Enchanted Spice, Wild Honey, Berry Blast, which is what I got, Sweet Love, and Rose. I think I probably would have preferred a different colour. I'm not feeling that this colour would particularly go very well with this palette. It's a lot darker in real life than it's showing up on camera. It's like a deep kind of grape colour. And I remember we got one of these in one of our boxes. Can't remember which one, but I got like a reddy colour and I absolutely love it, and I still wear it even now. It's so nice on your lips. It's like a lip oil, but you do get quite a bit of colour. Let me just show you some of the colour that you get. It's quite pretty. It's just not my colour. So there it is there. And then, see what I mean about the colour though, it's really dark. So I think I would have preferred a different colour. However, it will get used because I do like it on the old lips. Okay, our third item is a Leica on top. This is a lip scrub protection. This is £11.75. This is the deluxe travel size. Dry, flaky lips are inevitable when the weather starts to cool off, and with autumn fast approaching, we need to take extra care. This lemon lip scrub exfoliates, moisturizes, and hydrates your lips. This has a very strong smell of lemon. It's obviously sugar based. But it looks nice. I like the little jars. I'll probably use that for something when it's all done. But yeah, I like me a good lip scrub. Do that quite regularly. I'm not sure if I told you the price of this. Let me just let you know. £16. This is obviously a full size product as well. Okay, next we have a neck mask. This is by OK. And it's a Pomegranate Sculpting Tech neck mask. If you spend hours hunched over a computer or are glued to your smartphone 24/7 like me, you're likely to be plagued with the pain and wrinkles known as tech neck. I've never heard of tech neck before. So basically it puts on, it fights against aging, plumps, restores skin, the mask that you never knew you needed. This has a recommend of £7. And I do like Korean masks, and I am using masks a little bit more often than I did before, not because I think they're great, but because I've got a whole great big drawer full of them, so I may as well start using them. So quite happy to receive that. Then our last item, again, this comes boxed. This is called Brushworks Hdi Brush. This is a full-size product. This is recommended at £5.99. We all need tools that we can rely on, so this vegan-friendly and cruelty-free handcrafted brush is my new best friend. Its short bristles help to apply a controlled quantity of product onto the eyelid. The density-packed fibres are ideal for generating multiple eyeshadow looks. So yeah, it's quite cute. I do find the bristles are a little bit stiff for me, but I'll give it a go, I'll try it. And I like how there's like indentation here, so you can kind of hold your brush a little bit better. And the colour's just beautiful, very cute. That's plastic. Okay, so that's that. And then we got a freebie, or an extra treat, whatever you want to call it. This says Kalino Drinks. Kalino, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, so apologies if I'm not, is a distilled tropical non-alcoholic spirit inspired by the sun-drenched spirit of Colombia. Zingy, zesty and ready to party. It has juniper and inca berry. It's a tropical infusion of juniper, citrus and spices. Pour 50 ml of Kalino over ice and top with tonic and garnish with a fresh inca berry. Time to party. So that's that. I haven't opened it. Not going to either. Okay, so that is Roccabox for this month. I really do like this box. I'm so excited to receive this palette. I'm so bummed out that I got this colour in this. Had I got a bit more of a colour that kind of went with this, oh, I would have been so happy, but it's fine. I can just use my other one. It's more of a red colour, I think. So that's it. If you like these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget, leave your comments down below if you think Roccabox was worth, I don't know, £13 this month. Until I speak again, until I do my next video, please take care of yourselves and each other, and bye for now. Mwah. Bye, take care, bye.